Welcome to Review Rumble. The best coilovers is probably one of the most significant upgrades you can make to your vehicle's suspension system, offering a remarkable balance between ride comfort and performance handling, allowing you to fine-tune your car's stance and responsiveness for everything from daily driving to spirited track days. Number 5. Rev 9R9 HS2-010 Hyperstreet 2 Coilover Suspension. Introducing the Rev 9 Hyperstreet 2 Coilover Suspension, designed to enhance your driving experience. This kit is specifically engineered for the Honda Civic FA/FG models from 2006 to 2011. Experience superior handling with its monotube shock design, featuring 32 distinct rebound adjustment settings. This allows for precise tuning to match your driving style and road conditions. Achieve the perfect stance with full-length adjustability. You can independently set both the spring tension and ride height, offering unparalleled customization for your vehicle's performance and aesthetics. The kit includes specially designed coil springs for optimal lowering. With front spring rates of 8 kg/mm and rear rates of 10 kg/mm, it ensures a balanced and aggressive profile. Fine-tune your ride with 32 levels of damping adjustment. This feature provides exceptional control over stiffness, ensuring comfort and performance are perfectly balanced. For optimal performance and safety, professional installation by experienced technicians is highly recommended. This kit is designed to lower your vehicle effectively and is not intended to adjust to factory ride height. What we like. This kit offers 32 levels of rebound adjustment for fine-tuning. If you are looking for precise control over your damping and want to dial in your suspension for various driving conditions, this is a great choice. It's ideal for enthusiasts who enjoy track days or spirited driving and want to optimize performance. What people say. Excellent durability and ride quality. These are hands down the best budget coilovers. I've purchased many different brands for my drift daily cars and the only other good ones were Trueheart. These are still on my cars today 7 to 8 years later, zero issues in WI through all seasons. Great quality and a great value. They fit perfectly and are very durable. The reason these caught my eye was the notch that holds the strut on the tower brace. As you can see, the old ones I had didn't and they slipped through. I have them set at OEM ride height right now until I can fix another issue on the car, but these boys can slam. I had a picture of the new ones compared to the old side by side, but I can't find it. The picture showed that even in the front they can go by far lower than any eBay coilover. I ride my with full hard dampening and it feels like a brand new car. Number 4. Gold Height Adjustable Coilovers for Honda and Acura. Introducing our premium coilovers, designed to elevate the performance and aesthetics of your Honda Civic, CRX, CRX Del Sol, and Acura Integra. Experience a transformation in your driving. Engineered for a wide range of models from 1988 to 2001, these kits ensure a precise fit for your specific vehicle. Enjoy seamless integration and enhanced handling. Achieve your desired look with adjustable height, allowing for a 1 to 3 inch drop. This feature not only enhances your vehicle's aggressive stance but also improves steering feel and response. Featuring a twin-tube structure for a longer stroke and greater adjustability, these coilovers provide a more comfortable ride by reducing stress on joints. The high-tensile performance springs are built for durability and consistent performance. Crafted from high-strength 6061 aluminum alloy with T6 treatment, these coilovers are built to last. They offer exceptional durability and reliability for a safe and exhilarating driving experience. In a striking gold finish, these coilovers not only perform exceptionally but also add a touch of style to your vehicle. Upgrade to the gold standard in suspension technology. What we like. With its twin-tube design, this option provides a more comfortable ride and greater height adjustability. If you prioritize a balance between a lowered stance and daily drivability, and you own one of the many compatible Honda or Acura models from the late 80s to early 2000s, this kit is a solid option for a smoother, more compliant suspension. What people say. Easily adjusted once on vehicle. My wrenches came orange, only need to jack vehicle, and remove a wheel. There is a lot to adjust. Basically how tight the spring is how harsh bumpy the ride will be, and of course the height of the spring is how low it is. These by far gave the biggest improvement in my vehicle's handling. Cornering feels great. Number 3. ECCPP Adjustable Coilover Suspension Kit. Elevate your driving experience with our fully adjustable coilover suspension kit. Designed for precision and comfort, it's the perfect upgrade for your vehicle. This kit is engineered for a direct fit on select Acura Integra, Honda Civic, and Honda Civic Del Sol models. Please check compatibility for your specific year and model. Achieve your desired ride height with our adjustable feature. Fine-tune your car's stance for optimal performance and aesthetics. Experience a straightforward installation process with included bushings. This kit is built with high-quality components for lasting durability and performance. You'll receive a complete coilover suspension kit, backed by our 1-year warranty and dedicated customer support. Drive with confidence knowing you're covered. What we like. This kit is designed for easy installation as a direct replacement and offers adjustable height. If you're looking for a straightforward upgrade to lower your Acura Integra or Honda Civic Del Sol and want the peace of mind that comes with a 1-year warranty, this is a practical and reliable choice for a refreshed look and feel. What people say. You have a wide range of adjustments with these. The ride quality on these are way better than my old OBX coils. The spring is perfect for my Del Sol as I no longer have significant body roll. The strut also is not too harsh. Number 2. Street Rod Coilover Shock Absorbers. Experience a significantly smoother ride and superior damping control with these shock absorbers. They are designed to enhance your driving experience on the road. Crafted from high-quality steel alloy, these shock absorbers offer exceptional strength and long-lasting durability. You can rely on their robust construction. Featuring a 300-pound spring rate, they provide the right balance of support and comfort. The hardened shaft ensures reliable performance. With a 5/8-inch bolt hole size, these are designed for a precise fit. The hardened shaft measures 9/16 inches for added strength. Built to strict quality control standards, you can depend on their performance and reliability. They are engineered for consistent results. This order includes a pair of shock absorbers, one for the right and one for the left side. You get everything needed for a complete installation. What we like. This is a pair of rear shocks designed to provide a smoother ride with 300-pound springs. If you're looking to upgrade just the rear suspension for improved damping management and a more comfortable experience, especially for street rod applications or custom builds where rear-end comfort is a priority, these are a good fit. What people say. Good bounce and rebound dampening control. They are adjustable if need to be done, just make sure to have the correct adjusting tool to do it with. They are stiff if you go with the 350-pound ones, the ride may be rough but works well with a load. Number 1. ECCPP Adjustable Coilovers for 1990 to 1997 Honda Accord. Introducing a full set of adjustable coilovers designed specifically for your 1990 to 1997 Honda Accord. Experience a significant enhancement in your vehicle's performance and handling. These coilovers offer independent height adjustment, allowing you to fine-tune your vehicle's stance precisely. Achieve your desired ride height without compromising suspension travel. Improve your steering response and reduce understeer and oversteer during cornering. You'll also notice better braking performance and a shorter stopping distance for increased safety. Enjoy a ride that balances moderate bouncing with comfortable shock adjustments. Get positive road feedback while maintaining a high level of comfort for a superior driving experience. Our suspension system is engineered for smooth and safe rides. It provides superior driving control, helping you achieve optimal ride comfort and handling. Installation is straightforward with the right tools. If you have any questions, our team is ready to assist you to ensure a smooth and confident upgrade. What we like. This kit allows for independent adjustment of the lower mount for precise height changes without affecting stroke, improving handling. If you are a Honda Accord owner from the 90s seeking to enhance steering performance, reduce body roll, and achieve a comfortable yet responsive ride, this coilover set offers a great balance for daily driving and spirited cruises. What people say. The ride height is adjustable, allowing for a customized stance. The damping is adjustable, providing control over suspension stiffness. These coilovers offer improved handling and cornering performance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.